Okay, so here we find ourselves on a carport, and it's old, but we went ahead and coated it in gecko, which is a silicone, 100% silicone. But sometimes the water would run up underneath of this flashing between the transition between the shingles and the awning, and so we've gotten a hold of some M-Seal, which is a sponge, and it's going to self-seal, and then we're also going to apply silicone. So you can see we filled in that gap. Now we're going to go back and we're going to seal it with silicone, and then we're going to give it a little spritz of aerosol silicone. How do you like that? Anyways, there you go. Okay, we're at a project where it turns out that the panels were installed in reverse, and so the purling bearings should be on the bottom, but they're on the top. So let's take a look. So this is a purling bearing. Or it's got a foot. It's really the purling bearing foot, and this is made to support this panel and this panel when this panel is over it. And this panel is on this side, does not have the purling bearing, it's just got a little cup, and it ends right around there, just for there not to be any water to suck up. Here, through capillary action and every other kind of wind action, water builds up over this and it'll go in and around, and it wouldn't do it the other way. So anyways, because of that, we have had to seal the crack of the purling bearing on every one of these purling bearing exposed. There's another one, there's another one, and another one, and consequently also we've sealed all the M-Seal. So, and then we've got a little lap there, shouldn't have never been. Okay, but anyways, there you go. That's what we've done. We're going to let that M-Seal expand a little bit more, and then also the silicone's going to bind to the silicone. So there we go. How do you like that? That's the end of this exercise.